Hello, welcome to today's short Polka update, and in today's video I'll give you a quick update on Oak Network, Acala, and also on the QCoin listings when it comes to the Kusama Crowdloans, because it seems they're not taking those seriously anymore and I'm not sure why. So first of all, Oak Network said that you can now use their fiat on-ramp if you don't have any DOT. They've partnered with Gem HQ, powered by Block Daemon HQ, to add that fiat on-ramp to the website, allowing users to buy and transfer DOT directly to a wallet, which is awesome. And by the way, if you want to contribute to the Oak Network Crowdloan, I have posted a referral link for a 5% bonus in the description of this video and also in the pinned comment. If you want to help support this channel, thank you in advance for that. So we'll keep an eye out on Oak Network, and by the way, they will also be listing, remember, on Mangara Dex, their Canary version, which is Turing Network. So they're going to list that. The APY right now for Turing is still quite high, about 180 to 200% depending on the collator, and so I am expecting that to drop once listing begins and once the Tor token or the Tor coin is going to be trading and more people are going to stake. Also kind of reminded that the price was around 8 cents if you wanted to become a collator for the Tor coin, so we'll have to see what is going to be trading at as well. Now let's look at Acala. What do we have from Acala? Well, 17 hours ago, they're saying that they're still working on the full trace to identify all remaining AUSD error mints, and the community can then formulate proposals to resolve the issue. And of course, they hope to resume all Acala services soon. Now, not all Acala services are disrupted, which is awesome, and we'll take a look at that at the moment. So, since the incident last week, many of the services have been paused on Acala, including XCM transfer out. However, DOT liquid staking has remained operational, and you can check the list of disrupted services here. So let's go to that website here. This is the Acala DApp status. So we can see the looking at the portfolio, the ACA transfer works as normal. So you can actually transfer the ACA coin. However, I believe that the issue is that exchanges don't accept deposits of ACA. Okay, quote me on this if I'm wrong, because I haven't tested it. I believe that that is the case because I know they don't allow withdrawals. So because of that, I assume deposits are not allowed either. So wallet to wallet transfers should be fine. Okay, normal other token transfers paused, obviously because of AUSD and LDOT and all that. Portfolio USD value is not accurate. From Acala, if you use the bridge or to Acala, there that's paused as well. EVM plus paused. Minting AUSD is all paused, of course. Swapping all paused. Liquid staking, however, you could see staking is normal. Unstaking, normal unbound period, is also normal, but the unstake instantly is paused. Okay, so you just need to wait 28 days if you decide to unstake that DOT. Collateral staking paused as well. Collateral staking, unstaking, and LP staking. So that's pretty much the status with Acala here. We just have to wait for the team. With regards to the pegging, I know that CoinGecko have reported incorrect figures when it comes to the pegging of AUSD. They've reported that it's actually over $1, which is wrong because the reality is on QCoin. If you go on QCoin, you can see it's around 63 cents at the time of doing this video. It did drop to like 55 cents, so the pegging has been lost by quite a bit, and that's also mostly to do with QCoin labeling the AUSD token as ST, which basically means that it's got low volume over a certain period of time, and if that low volume continues, they may consider delisting. Again, it is not a guaranteed delisting, but it could happen. It has happened with other coins in the past, but in the end they didn't actually delist them because they managed to get the volume back up. So we'll have to see if the team are going to discuss with QCoin. I'm sure people have raised that with them. I've personally raised it with Dan Reeser as well. He hasn't seen my message yet, so we'll have to see. But hopefully they're going to discuss it with QCoin to basically explain to them the situation so that they will consider removing that label, because I believe that's also part of the FUD at the moment with the depegging losing its value even more. And finally, let's talk about this here. So this is in relation to QCoin. Okay, so QCoin didn't announce any distributions of parachain coins anymore. I don't know why, but they just announced listings. Okay, so if you go to the QCoin Twitter profile, you'll actually see that they announce these listings. Okay, but they don't actually say we're going to be distributing rewards of X parachain. Okay, so the question is, will we get that announcement about Near, because they did support BitCountry Pioneer. So I don't know if they're going to do it, because with Altair they just didn't do it, right? With Altair they didn't do it. And if you look here, look, QCoin moderator has replied to this, okay, because somebody replied to them saying that they're no longer, let me see here, I'm done with QCoin. Let me see if I can find that tweet. Okay, I need to go to show here. Okay, so this guy here saying you don't distribute rewards or you hold the rewards for no real good reason. When we bind our assets for KSM and our chains, when you ask in the QCoin on Telegram, it's always the same answer. Yeah, I know that. So here the QCoin moderator saying we do understand. Please be advised that we're currently doing follow-up with regards to this concern. Apologies for inconvenience caused, but this follow-up has been, has been so long since they mentioned the same thing. So this person here basically replied back to say this is ridiculous, blah blah blah. But this is what I said to them, right? So can you just talk to the team and show them this, which is very clear, this message, okay? QCoin supported the Altair Kusama crowdloan in 2021. QCoin did not distribute tier coins for Altair to contributors almost a year later. So why are QCoin not distributing after 1 year? And if you look here, the QCoin moderator has seen my message. They're saying that they've relayed this to the team. Thank you for understanding. Again, a canned response, so I'm not expecting miracles here, but at least they're seeing that people are complaining, so hopefully they'll take that into consideration. So yeah, I just wanted to raise this. It is a shame that they've kind of stopped supporting the Kusama crowdloans because listing on QCoin does help with volume. Like it or not, it does help with volume. It's not the same as Gate. Like, I'm not a huge fan of Gate, but at least kudos to the team for listing the Kusama crowdloan uh, coins, right? For people who have contributed to them and they are distributing them and of course listing as a follow-up. So it is a shame that we're seeing this from QCoin. I'm not sure what happened there, why they've stopped supporting. Maybe because of the situation with the market. I don't know. I don't know what the situation is. But anyway, that's been it from today's video. Thank you as always for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.